think I'm recording.
You think you are? What number should show up when you get done?
Alright, go.
Okay. This is the experiment for the Backwoods Raiders of a camera mounted on a bipod on my rifle. This is a really weird experiment. We've taken Bradley's camera off his iPod and electrical taped it to my bipod to my MB03.
It's not working very. It's working.
It's working. Trust me, it's working. All right. Bradley will have a rifle. As y'all can see, the field as I walk over here to get my glasses since I forgot about them. You sure this thing's low?
Goggles, people.
Yes, remember goggles, please. Safety first. We shot somebody's eye out one time. Wasn't too fun. As you can see, Bradley's over there. I'm way over here in his backyard on this nice, sunny, about 40-degree weather. Yeah, make sure it's not snowing because yesterday I went to play Airsoft with my friends yesterday and it was like 20 degrees and it was snowing yesterday. Oh God. Alright Bradley, how long does the camera hold video? Hold on real quick. Just keep talking to him. Yell it out. I forgot I had a hood. Okay. Ready, Bradley? Yeah. Ow, shit. Ow, damn it. Damn, it hurts, shit. Did any of those hit you? What? Shit. Ow! Damn it. Ow! I wish this camera had zoom on it. Yeah, right in the fucking head. Do you give up, Bradley? Oh, I'm out. I'm out.